Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Let's Cook webinar series brought to you by PA Courses and YoRipe. My name is Ian. I'm the founder of YoRipe. YoRipe is a cooking app that gives you ideas so you won't feel bored about your food. And you can find both healthy Asian and Western recipes. It's created for you, so it's easy for you to find what you like. It can even tell you what recipes you can make with what you have in your fridge. You can download the app from App Store or Google Play Store. Today, I'm here with Chef Aaron Tan. Hi, Chef. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Hello, everyone.
If you cook alone, please feel free to switch on your webcam so that Chef can see you. And of course, feel free to ask any questions through the chat if you have during the class, because it's an interactive process. The physical classes in CCs have been suspended due to circuit breaker. So we all want to stay at home, but at the same time can continue to learn and cook something nice.
Today, I want to show you and share with you one Cantonese cuisine. It's a steamed chicken with mushroom and black fungus and Chinese sausage. So this dish also can link together with Lo Mai Gai.
This is a very popular dish that we eat often in restaurants, Cantonese restaurants for dim sum.
I want to steam the glutinous rice first. So you can see that the rice already washed. The ratio, we do it 1:1. And then because of healthy, enhanced with 5 gram rice.
We are splitting the cooking process into two parts.
Yes,
First
correct.
half cooked in steaming for the glutinous rice, and then we assemble in the beautiful lotus leaf.
Some people ask me, is it the glutinous rice should soak into the water before we use? Yes, some people soak overnight. But today, I want to show you, no need to soak. Just wash and go together with water and we just steam it. We have sea salt, chicken powder, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, raw sugar, Chinese wine, sesame oil, cornstarch with water. So the ratio is 1:1. White pepper powder, dry mushroom. For the dry mushroom, we have to soak 1 day before.
This is a shiitake mushroom.
Fragrant, shallot, and garlic oil. Chinese sausage, chicken sausage, and this is lung sausage. Black fungus, ginger, and then for garnish, I use wolfberries and spring onion. Let's start. So for the chicken, I put sea salt. Before I put seasoning, make sure the product is dry enough. I already used the paper towel to absorb the extra water. Chicken powder, oyster sauce. This portion, I put more seasoning because of the portion.
It's bigger, yeah. Dark soy sauce.
Dark soy sauce. Mushroom.
Mushroom actually can also boost your immunity. It's really good to eat it quite often.
In Cantonese cuisine, we always use dry mushroom. It's easy to stock. And then fresh mushroom, when you put inside chiller, roughly 3 to 4 days, it will spoil already.
I see. This is hemua, black fungus.
So cutting ginger side also very important. Some ginger when you cut, it's very smooth. And then some when you cut, it's very rough because of the way how we cut the ginger. So this is the rough part.
Yes, the rough part.
So place like this and cut. Okay? Then go inside chicken together. For Lo Mai Gai, I will use mint ginger, Chinese sausage. So basically, I will take out the casing. This is the chicken sausage. In Cantonese cuisine, we use a lot of sausage. We use for Lo Mai Gai, we use for Lo Mai Gai, we use for steamed chicken. Next step, I want to cut the lotus leaf. So I want to cut the nice shape. So cover with plate.
Oh, you use the plate.
Yes.
Oh, Chef, do we wash the lotus leaf?
Already steamed. Wash and steam.
Wash and steam. Steam for how long?
I steam for 8 minutes.
Okay.
To make sure the herb is soft enough. Okay, next we put on the plate. Go inside.
Yes.
Okay, this is our plate. The chicken, we enhance cornstarch.
How long should I marinate the chicken for?
Minimum 30 minutes and above.
And Chef, where can we buy the lotus leaves?
We can go to Tiong Bahru Market or Tekka Market.
Obviously, we know lotus leaf is the most ideal for this dish. But what if we can't find? Is there any alternative we can use?
Actually, if you can't find, doesn't matter. You can just without the lotus leaf because we can smell that the flavor of the sausage, the flavor of the Chinese wine, mushroom is already there.
Wow!
Now we only use 30 because we have to wrap first and then steam again another 20 minutes.
So this is only 50% cooked.
There you go. Go inside.
20 minutes for this one.
Yeah. Lo Mai Gai rice we put in the bowl. So you can see that today we only steam.
Healthy.
Not pan fry, not deep fry.
Yeah, easy to clean too for the kitchen.
Oyster sauce.
This is the garlic and shallot oil.
The leaf, we cut like this.
Okay.
And then Okay. Cut. And trim.
Okay, we trim the sides off.
So become 4 layer. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Great.
Go in.
Yes, flatten it.
Flatten it. Okay.
Chicken.
Sausage. Mushroom.
Mushroom.
Rice.
Or 3/4 tablespoon of rice on top.
On top, yes.
Left.
Cover.
Right.
Press.
Both hands, and then
Both
from the
hands.
bottom you fold up,
Go up.
and then roll.
Roll again. And roll again. Okay.
Is there a difference between the two sides of the lotus leaf?
I use the inside. So you can see the color is different. This one darker. This one lighter.
Okay, so the darker is outside and this is inside. Ta-da!
Steamer. I use peanut oil, cooking oil, shallot, ginger, spring onion, all put together.
Yes.
And then very low heat, 45 to 1.5 hours.
Wow.
To bring up all the flavor, all the fragrant. But the fragrant oil is very important, especially on Cantonese cuisine. I will cook one portion, divide to small portion into the vacuum pack.
And put it in the chiller. Some participants are cooking, so let's see. Look at this.
Ta-da! The goji berry, right? Try don't steam together. The color you will different.
This is the goji berry soak. How long do you recommend to soak it for?
3 to 5 minutes. Put here first. Continue steam the glutinous Lo Mai Gai.
Wow. Now we are adding the garnish, goji berry.
Argan oil. Spring onion.
Steamed chicken in lotus leaf with mushroom, black fungus, and sausage. Can we use sesame oil instead of fragrant oil?
Yes, but sesame oil, right? It's not like everyone like the taste.
Quite pungent, so you might mask the flavors.
Yes.
Of course, you can just give a few drops.
Actually, it's a good tips for everyone. When you're facing the ingredient like seafood or chicken or meat, you feel that it's not fresh enough, try not to throw first. If let's say still can use, you wash first and then make it dry. Season with a little bit sesame oil. That smell, it will go on.
Can steam the glutinous rice in rice cooker, chef?
Not steamed in a rice cooker, it's cooked inside the rice cooker.
But that will be fully cooked, right? The rice.
Yeah.
But after that, you will still need 20-25 minutes in the steamer to make sure that the chicken is well cooked, all the ingredients are cooked, and then the flavors is well absorbed with the lotus leaf and rice.
To cook maybe something like this. So this one need 5 more minutes. You can see the rice. New one not cooked enough, but the rest okay already.
So this is our second dish today, Lo Mai Gai.
Hope you enjoy today cooking.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.